just 2 clicks, you can send bulk emails. You just have to open your spreadsheet. Then you have to go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and click on this send all data. Now all of this data will receive a bulk email. This means all of my leads are going to receive emails instantly. So let me open Gmail and refresh it over here for you. And you're going to see yes, one by one this email is sent to demo customer, demo user, smart user, dummy user, test customer, Pooja, amazing, Amit, Karan, and new. These are the multiple contacts I had right over here in my spreadsheet. And do you think that this is a magic? No, this is the power of automation which we are going to learn in today's video. Only the name of the customer is going to change, rest the details will remain same. So let's see how to send these bulk emails in just 5 minutes. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of emails for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as Google Sheets. For the event, we have to select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. Just copy this webhook URL and open the spreadsheet where you have the data of the customers or leads. Now you have to go on this extensions, add-ons, and then go towards this get add-ons. You have to add an extension in the spreadsheet which is named Pabbly Connect webhooks. So go on the search apps and search for Pabbly Connect webhooks and simply install this extension. I have already installed this. After installing this, you have to make sure that you refresh your spreadsheet. Otherwise, you'll not be able to view the Pabbly Connect webhooks option over here. Once you view this option, go on this Pabbly Connect webhooks and then initial setup. After you come on this initial setup, it is going to ask you for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So simply paste the webhook URL and enter the trigger column. So over here for me, the trigger column is D, but for you, it can be anything else too. It totally depends upon your own spreadsheet. For me, it is D because I want to send these 4 details towards my workflow. So as you can see, I've successfully added this webhook URL which I've copied from my workflow, and now I've also added this trigger column. So let's just click on this submit, and once we're going to click on this submit, it is saying setup configured successfully. This means that we have created the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, but it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, just click on this send test and it is saying test data sent successfully. So let's send this first row towards my workflow. So let's just open my workflow and you're going to see we have captured the detail. So let's send the email towards this user. Okay, so click on this add new action step. For the action application, select it as Gmail. For the event, select it as send email and click on this connect. If you haven't connected Gmail till now, click on this add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to send the emails. Okay, make sure you select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to send the emails. Give Pabbly all the permissions. Your Gmail will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now for the sender's name, just enter the name of your company. So I'm just going to enter the name of my company. Select the sender's email address. Now for the recipient email address, you have to enter the email address of the customer. So you have to map this. Mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So it is going to ask me for many details, but we are only going to fill in the details which are required, like this email subject and email content. So I'm just going to copy this email subject and content from my previous workflow. If you also want this workflow, you're going to get this workflow URL in the description box below. You can copy and paste it from there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to map the name over here so that we can send personalized emails. In order to map the name, I am just going to put a slash, search for the name, map the first name, put a space, put a slash, search for the last name, map the last name. Now it is asking me for the email content, so let's just copy the email content to right from here and paste it. Once again, I'm just going to map the details right over here in this email content to, which is the name. So let me just look for the name, and over here I'm just going to map the name. Let's just put a slash and map the name. Over here I have used an HTML email content, and I use ChatGPT to generate this. You can also use AI generator by Pabbly, or you can learn how to generate HTML emails from the tutorial over here. Now if you want to use a plain email content, you can enter the same too. You have to select the content type accordingly. Now just select the rest of the details and click on this save and send test request, and you're going to say yes, we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent this mail. So let's open our Gmail, go back towards the inbox, and yes, this mail is sent. Not only this, but now we're going to see how we can send emails to bulk customers at once. For that, let's just delete every mail which is over here in this inbox. Let's just go back towards our sheet, extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and click on this send all data. All of this data will be sent towards your workflow, and the email will be sent to all the customers in this spreadsheet. So let's open my Gmail and refresh this inbox, and you're going to see within seconds and in real time the mail will be sent to all of them. It is saying working now. Okay, so now let's just refresh this, and yes, one by one the mail is getting sent. So that's how you send bulk emails in just 5 minutes. Go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. Don't forget that the workflow URL is attached in the description box below. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, everyone.